Hello, my name is Adeomi and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first video in the series of learning how to crochet for absolute beginner. If you are already a crocheter and you need a refresher, then this video is good for you. So let's get straight into it. So in starting out in your crochet journey, you will need some certain tools to start out. So here I have my yarn. And it comes in different sizes and in different textures. It depends on what you want to do or the kind of project you're working with. So I have my crochet hooks here. This is an aluminium hook and it comes in different sizes. We have the plastic hook too. We have them in different sizes and in different shapes. Then we have another one. This one comes with a rubber handle. So I would recommend you try any one that you like or it feels so good for you. Then you have your stitch markers. Your stitch markers. As a beginner, you might not necessarily need a stitch marker, but as you go on a bigger project, you might actually find it handy. Then you have your tapestry needle. You use it to weave in your loose ends when you're done with your project. Then we have a pair of scissors. Then you use this to cut off your loose ends. To make your slip knot, I will take the other end of my yarn, this one, and I take it over this my pointy finger, and I'm holding it down with my thumb, and I go over it. This way. You can see it's formed an X here. Then I go right underneath the first one this way. Then I take out this one. So there I have my slip knot. There I have my slip knot. So now I can now tighten it up to my hook this way. So here I have it onto my hook. To make a chain, this is how I hold my yarn. I take it over my pinky and I go this way. I'll do that again. I go right, I wrap it around my pinky and I go this way. So there I can now tighten my slip knot. To make a chain, I'll take the hook round around my yarn this way. I pull through the loop. You can see I go round. So this I'm doing here is called yarn over. You will come across it a lot when you start making your project. So I yarn over and what? And pull through. I yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. So you can see I have my chains. And you don't want to pull too tight. If you pull too tight like this, your hook won't be able to come out. So I would advise you walk through this over and over until you get a perfect tension. And if you pull too much, you can see you'll be having a big space, a big chain. So you pull on the right way and you get all your what? You get your chain. So there I have my chain, and I will advise you do this over and over again until you get it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next tutorial.